Now, on the day of your temporary orders hearing, if you're represented by counsel, both parties and both counsel will be sitting at separate desks. The judge will come into the courtroom and the bailiff will tell everybody to rise, and both parties and counsel will stand. Court will then, after being seated, will tell everybody to be seated. The bailiff will swear all the witnesses in, and the judge typically is going to ask if any of the issues have been resolved. Now, if you resolve some of those temporary orders issues, you can tell the court what that agreement is, and the court can order it right there from the bench. If you haven't resolved the remaining issues, then the court's going to start with the petitioner presenting their case first. And that involves bringing testimony from witnesses, using documents as exhibits, so both lawyers will have an opportunity to question you. The petitioner will be questioned by his or her attorney first. Then the respondent has an opportunity to ask cross-examination questions, and then your attorney will have a chance to ask your rebuttal questions, third round of questions during that temporary orders hearing. Once you've presented all of your evidence as the petitioner, the respondent then gets to start their case and call their witnesses, introduce their documents and evidence. At the end of that, the attorneys can give brief oral arguments on what they think the best or most fair outcome is for temporary orders. Keep in mind that at the end of the case, meaning both lawyers have closed the presentation of their evidence, the judge is unlikely to issue a ruling directly from the bench. Some do, but most don't, and you're likely going to wait a couple weeks to get the ruling in the form of a minute entry or an order from the court.